Hi, I'm Ariana Grace, a Houston-based attorney and host of Ask Tammy Live, where we discuss the best ways to establish a business, protect your name, and keep your profits. Today's question of the day is, how much does it cost to get a trademark? That's a great question, and I'm going to give you a lawyerly answer. It depends, but don't worry, I'll explain. The cost depends on four main factors. First, when you decide to file the application. Second, the process you follow. Third, the categories, classes, you file under. Fourth, who handles the work. Let's take these factors one by one. Factor 1, timing. First, timing. Filing fees for trademark applications increased in 2021. The standard application used to be $275, but it's now $350 per class. The streamlined TAS Plus application increased from $225 to $250. Most practitioners prefer the standard option because it offers more flexibility when filing. So if you're filing today, expect $350 per trademark per class. Timing also matters if you file before using the trademark in commerce. This is called an intent-to-use application. It costs slightly more because later you must file proof of use, but it gives you earlier protection. On the other hand, if you wait until you're already using the trademark, it's cheaper, but you don't get that early protection. Also, if the USPTO issues an office action, a request for clarification or additional documents, you may need an extension, which adds to the cost. So timing can really affect your total expense. Factor 2, process. The second factor is your process. I always recommend doing a comprehensive trademark search before filing. It costs more upfront, but it can save you money later. Without a search, you risk filing for a trademark that conflicts with an existing one. That can lead to rejections, office actions, or expensive legal fixes. With a thorough search, you can anticipate possible roadblocks and avoid unnecessary expenses. So your filing process plays a big role in the overall cost. Factor 3, categories, trademark classes. Third, the categories or classes you file under. Each class is treated as a separate filing fee. For example, clothing, one class, $350 educational services, another class, $350, so if you want protection in both, that's $700 total. Another important point. Word marks, your brand name, and design marks, your logo, are separate applications. If you want to protect both, you must file and pay for both. For example, a logo filed in two classes, $700, and a name in one class, $350. Combined, that's $1,050. Factor 4, who does the work? The fourth factor is who files the application, you or an attorney. If you do it yourself, you save money up front, but you face risks. Mistakes are common, and if you get an office action, you may not know how to respond. That could cost you more later. Hiring an attorney ensures a professional search, correct filing, and proper responses to office actions. Attorneys structure fees differently. Some include searches in their packages, others don't. Some handle minor office actions at no extra cost, but charge more for substantive office actions. So be sure you understand what's included in their fees. That's all I have for you today. If this video has been helpful, please subscribe below. You can also visit Trademark Registration Agency if you want to trademark your name, logo, or slogan. Our experienced trademark attorneys have already filed 100,000 plus successful applications for clients across the USA. With our proven expertise and step-by-step guidance, protecting your brand has never been easier. Secure your trademark today with the team trusted by thousands of businesses. If you have questions or comments, leave them below. I review them and often use them as inspiration for future videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day or night, depending on when you're watching, and I'll see you in the next video.